Welcome, Excel Daily Dose Advanced Functions, Day 17, Offset. So very tricky formula, but powerful formula. Whenever you would like to reference a range dynamically, which means a range which is not fixed, a range which is not static. So there definitely one formula which can help you is offset, right? So I'll try to explain to the point and to make it as simple as possible. Okay, before we continue, quickly, it's the time for you to hit the subscribe button just right under this video, and yes, click on the bell icon to send you notification every time. Right. Now, say this is the range I have. It is easy for me to do a sum or a count since I know the range and this is a fixed range. What if a scenario where this range will be growing? Take a look at this table. This I have the sales in the month of January, February, and month goes on till December. And here I have the names of the agents who does the sales. I need a total sale till date. What I need is the total sales till date. Okay. How do I get this summation number? I can do this to get this summation, but when I have a new range, when this table grows to a next range, this range has to be manually edited. But with the help of the offset formula, you no longer need to do this. Let's learn this quickly. All you need to start with, begin the same formula as sum, show the starting point. This is B2, where the number starts for me. Or you can start from here as well, so it doesn't matter, but I'll keep it from here. So normally in sum you can separate the argument with the help of comma, but here you would like a range, but end point of the range. Look at this sum, look at this basic summation formula. For example, now you see this is the beginning of the range, this is the ending of the range, right? So using the offset, we are going to work out the end part of the range function, just like this. Okay. So use this colon, not the semicolon, just a colon. Just say is2, right? And to refer the end part of the range, we use formula offset, right? Reference, again, I'll begin with this B2. Number of rows, you need to specify, comma, number of columns. Number of rows, when I say 2 rows, Excel takes it as 3 rows because 0, 1, 2. When I say 2 column, it thinks it is 3 columns, 0, 1, 2. Okay, always specify one number lesser than what you actually would like to. So I would like to say 3 rows and give me 3 columns, 3 rows and 3 columns. Close the bracket, and again I need to close the bracket. There are 2 open brackets here and 2 close brackets. Done. It says 207 from here, 2 columns, that is 3 rows, 3 columns. Have I got it right? 3 rows, 3 columns. So it's easy if I know the number of rows and number of columns, but if I don't know these values, I will not be able to use this formula. So what I'll do, let me do a workaround for this. So look at this. I got this number of rows and number of columns with the help of count formula. So I'm counting how many rows are there. Just I'm using -1 because I have a column header. Similarly, I'm using this first one as to identify how many columns are there with -1 because the column A got a data. Right. So I'm going to refer these cells in my formula. Rows here, as I told you, number of rows -1 would be always idle, and number of columns -1. Right. That's it. Close the bracket. Look at this. This is showing 563. Let's quickly calculate. Yes, it is 563. So now we are dynamically referencing number of rows and columns. How about I have this table grows down? This formula automatically calculates the right data. How about this column grows? And this automatically calculates this summation, right? So use this offset formula everywhere you have a dynamic range and not a fixed range. Go ahead with this. Thank you for watching. That's all for today. Happy learning and subscribe for more videos. Cheers.